How y'all doing this afternoon? Took me a little while looking at this bumper and the tag light, how to get it out. I realized there's a little, here, I'll show you, there's a little spot right here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. Kind of hard to see. For a screwdriver go into. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Get this out to replace the bulb because both my bulbs are blown and I had an extra one. So if I can't do this one-handed, maybe I can and get a pretty decent video. Oh, almost had it. Don't go back in there. Like I said, I'm doing it one-handed, so forgive me for the quality of the video. Nope, I think I got it. Oh yeah. So, we can get this turned one-handed. I'm going to set the video down for camera down for just a second. Maybe it won't fall. There we go. I think that bulb's bigger. It is. I'm gonna see if I got another bulb. Whoop, I dropped it. I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, I haven't got the right size bulb. Now if I can get it in there one-handed. Don't you fall back down in there. And I don't think that is the right size. If it is, it's loose. We're loose. Okay. Use both my hands if I can't get it that way. I know my fingers probably all in the way. It's looser than a goose. Okay, it's tighter that way. So maybe that got it. Pop that in. Say small side in, big side out. There we go. Now let's go turn our headlights or our lights on, see if it works or not. And we have a tag. Where's that? Can't see the sucker. Yep, we got a light, tag light. Well, that did good. The other one's blown, as you can see. I have to go get another bulb for it, but that's how you change a tag light in a 2002 Ford F-150. Thank y'all for watching.